Barbell lunges. Ensure you can complete bodyweight lunges effectively and safely and have the adequate strength to do so before progressing to barbell lunges. The barbell position is exactly the same as it is on a barbell squat. Ensure it's on the meaty part of the shoulders, that natural shelf, and not on the neck. When performing the lunge, take a big breath in, pull the bar down and take a prominent step forwards. Ensure when you step forward far enough to achieve a 90-degree bend in the knee. Failure to do so will result in lack of the glutes being activated during the lift and the quads doing most of the work. Ensure also when stepping forward that you do not step directly forward of the rear foot. Maintain shoulder width stance as you step forward to help keep your balance. The knee of the rear leg can be used to tap the ground as a way marker for depth. Do not transfer weight into the knee and do not rest at each rep on the knee. One of the most common faults is stepping directly in front of the rear foot and you struggle to maintain balance throughout the movement.
It's important to master the bodyweight lunge before progressing on to any other of the lunge variations. The exercise you'll be starting your programme on will be dictated by how you filled out the consultation form. A full, detailed exercise video will be found within your training programme. When you first start out doing lunges, you might struggle for balance. If that's the case, keep practicing the movement until you're able to keep good form throughout the movement without any risk of falling over. Once you've mastered this, you're ready to begin adding weight, and the safest way to do this is using dumbbells. Dumbbells you can easily drop if you lose balance. Eventually, these dumbbells are going to become rather heavy, and the more efficient way to do it is with a bar on your back. It's important that you're able to maintain good lunge form and maintain balance throughout before you consider barbell lunges.